मंगादा आले का?
हम लोग यहाँ पे दोस्त यहाँ पे देखिए सर सर
सर यहाँ पे देखिए सर।
सर हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू सर, रुक जाइए, फोटो नहीं मिला। थैंक यू सर।
बाहर क्या कर सकते हैं अभी? क्या इधर पूछना नहीं है वर्ल्ड ऑफ रोमांस?
I think we all like romance, right? Yeah? Yes or no? Chal now, say I already can't hear. Right? So I'm saying कि तो audience की तरफ से तो उतना resistance नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. I think we need more people in places of these decisions to choose कि चलो ठीक है, ये इस कहानी पे bet कर लेते हैं. And I think that is changing slowly. I mean, there is Sayara. There is that did what it did. We have another one. There's one with Vedant and Sharpari coming up. There's one more coming up with Ananya and Lakshya. So we have these people heading this. So I'm guessing it's changing a little bit.
Yeah, but do we like? I'm very fascinated by the tropes which are there. Like, गरीब लड़का अमीर लड़का गरीब लड़की. Guy is good, girl is trying to fix him. The boy trying to fix the girl. Both of them are toxic. Therapist trying to fix them. So, are we like tropes? Where like I'm so fascinated. Okay, this is us. So, are there enough tropes left in the world of books and audiobooks to be explored?
Books and audiobooks तो बहुत tropes हैं. I don't think it's been explored in adaptation so much.
Yeah.
Like I love enemies to lovers. I love forced proximity. I love marriage of convenience. I love grumpy sunshine. What else? What other tropes do we have?
Reverse grumpy sunshine.
Reverse grumpy sunshine. Opposites attract. Will they? Won't they? मतलब ये सब मेरे को it's fun only. I think we have a lot of it in books, but we need more adaptations of that.
And I think आप predict कर पाते होगे अब कि okay this is about to happen when you are reading something or listening to something.
लेकिन for me that is the comfort of reading also.
Yeah.
If I'm reading a modern romance or if I'm watching a modern romance show, I want it to be a comfort watch because I don't want the show to make me work. I want to know how it ends, and that is why I comfortably keep watching it. Which is why like so many of our favorite shows we keep watching, right? We'll go through it again and again क्योंकि हमको पता है कि कैसे end होने वाला है, तो मेरे को वो नहीं मची हुई कि पता नहीं क्या होगा. जैसे अब अगर हमें पता होता कि मिसमैच कैसे एंड हो रहा है तो पहले 3 सीजन बड़े आराम से बैठ के देखते ना कि जो हो रहा है होने तो इवेंचुअली पता चलेगा. हमें नहीं पता है कैसे होता है, so that keeps you on your edge. For me, comfort watching is the opposite of that. So most books I read, I can actually predict, and that makes that experience a lot more easier for me.
And since I got into these tropes, मैंने इतनी खतरनाक चीजें discover करी. The world of smart, the world of dark romances.
Do you have any dark romance fans?
Guys, you need to check out dark romance.
Say what is your favorite dark romance book? The Girl in the Hat. Did she just hide?
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा।
HD Garland.
HD Garland is the author.
बहुत भाई गंदा वाला सीन अभी हुआ।
Anyway.
No, I discovered a few books of HD Garland. I am like, should I need to
देना
talk
ही
to
पड़ेगा
Pradip
भाई,
and tell her?
अलग में कैसा एक अपना नहीं देख सकते ना, बात वो हुआ।
कितना transform कर दिया वो experience. So yeah, and you know how I search for keywords when I'm reading these books. मेरे को लगता है एक वैसा सीन आने वाला है. So sometimes
जिसमें कुछ नॉर्मल हो रहा है,
हाँ,
थोड़ा थोड़ा ना,
क्योंकि बाकी सारे सीन तो
थोड़ा पुढे।
वैसे ही होते हैं जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करके करते हो उन books में.
you know the keyword I searched for while like looking for this, and it has nothing to do with any organ. Can you guess the keyword that I searched for to reach that scene where something happens between a girl and a guy? Guess.
Member,
अब बताओ किधर जाओ?
throbbing.
Yes.
इससे अच्छा ना तांबे के बाजू में
I was
चले
telling
जाओ।
my
अरे मैं
team,
चल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मेरा पैर इंजर्ड है, मैं
पल्स
उसे जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ।
So this is how I reached those scenes, and like they, मेरे को आप बताओ कि इसके अलावा ऐसी कौन सी बुक्स और ऑडियो बुक्स हैं which are a little more vanilla, which do not have, let's say, erotic scenes, which are just pure romances.
How do you separate sex from romance? Honestly, I feel like
Yeah.
it's such a big part of romance in general. Now, what degree of that is there वो आप manage कर सकते हो. Like right now I am knee deep in romantasy. अभी Rebecca Yarros fans here. Woo! Guys, the Empyrean series, Iron Flame, Fourth Wing. Do you all read romantasy? Yes. Okay, one person. Thank God. Anyway, so I'm knee deep in romantasy right now, which is a whole different world again. For an escapist like me, I feel like this is what I want to keep going back to after a long day. Now there is sex and there is smart, but again it's so different because the universe is different. When she exclaims the god's name, she calls out is different. So it's if you pick what degree works for you. Like I told you last time, dark romance is not something that works for me.
Yeah.
Romantasy, modern, contemporary romances are great.
एंड मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है यहाँ
Sir,
पे बहुत लोग
आप थोड़ी चेयर आगे
रिलेशनशिप
लोगे?
और सिचुएशनशिप में है बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल
Thank
आर
you.
इन अ सिचुएशनशिप विद बुक्स सो हाउ कैन दे कन्वर्ट देयर सिचुएशनशिप ऑफ बुक्स इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप लाइक what can they do to read more or like listen to more stuff?
I think for me, I think we put too much.
चालू है भाई, मजाक
pressure
नहीं कर
on
रहा हूँ।
books. अगर हम कोई बुक पर उठाते हैं and if it doesn't work for us, I feel like we should put it down and
अभी
pick up the
ठीक।
next one. There is nobody in heaven sitting and marking you for how many hours you spent on a book you didn't like. It's not fun for you. It's not fun for the book. So I
तेरी
feel the
वजह से
easiest
सब
way to read is that pick up a book if
हाँ,
you don't
अपना
like
खुद
it.
मेरे फ्रेम
Like
में है।
suppose you pick my
जाना ही
book up,
पड़ेगा
you don't
उसको,
like it,
अगर
put it
मेरी
down,
जगह
pick
पे
up
तुम
फ्रेम
मेरा
क्या आ
तो
जाएगा? फ्रेम क्या आ
and
जाएगा?
someday maybe you
ऐसा
come back
जगह
to this
देता।
book or maybe you don't.
ठीक है, मैं
That's
लेता
fine,
हूँ
I'm
अगली बार
giving you
से
a
ऐसा।
book.
Yeah.
ध्यान रखना।
And
मैं
guys,
बोला
you
पहले
need to
जगह
check
बनो
out
फिर
two
आगे
books
जाओ।
to be Drew's audio book.
बड़ा तो हर जगह।
It's the most
चिल्ला नहीं
streamed
रहा हूँ,
audio-
समझा रहा हूँ।
streamed
वही
audio
बात
book
झगड़ा नहीं कर
ever.
रहा हूँ।
वही बात
It's a
है
huge
मैं उसको
झगड़ा
पहले
नहीं कर रहा
भी
हूँ।
बोला
ये तरीका
And
नहीं
there
होता
are
होने
some
का।
of the other audiobooks
बात
that you
सही है।
can listen to
झगड़ा
get
नहीं
into the
कर रहा
world
हूँ।
of romance.
बात
I
हो रही
love
है यहाँ पे।
listening to romantasy.
मैं
So
झगड़े का बोला ही
Sarah
नहीं, चिल्लाने का बोला
Code
बोला
of
तो
Thorns and
चिल्लाने का कोई
Roses.
मतलब नहीं, मैं उसको ऑलरेडी पहले
Have you
बोला
read that?
भाई स्पेस
Yes,
बनाओ फिर आगे
thank
जाओ।
तो
God.
वाइट फ्रेम हम लोग बना
A Code
तो
of
आया
Thorns
नहीं
and
है
Roses,
फ्रेम
all
में।
5 books,
बोलो उसको बैठेगा।
amazing audiobooks. I think the Empyrean series has an audiobook too. Throne of Glass is great. I do also like regular. Like I remember listening to. We've got the off-campus series coming up on Prime Video next week. Or 2 of the 3 books I've read on Audible. I've heard on Audible, and 1 I have on my Kindle. So everything, I think everything. And if you're like me who obsesses over stories, I think you should get an Audible version and a Kindle version at the same time, so you can
Yes.
keep switching between them if you can't stop reading.
You were telling me कुछ books के लिए आप like
हाँ,
अगर कोई important part आता है,
Hip-hop लिखने
in the
वाले
middle of
event
the
क्यों
book you
कराने
go
का?
to the audiobook and I'm
Yeah.
like, should I need to read this part on the audiobook?
Yeah, like if I have to drive or cook or do my makeup or do something that I can't do
ना
looking
आने
at
से
my
पहले
Kindle,
तुम छाप
I'll
दिए,
listen
बैठने से
out.
पहले हम लोग बैठने के
I
बाद छाप दिए।
discovered this audiobook जिसका नाम है Thank You for Listening. It is about like an audiobook narrator who is done with narrating romance novels and she is like बहुत हो गया I hate the genre of romance and then she falls in love with a guy who is narrating an audiobook.
Romance?
Yeah, and the whole book is about that.
Oh, this is fun. I should check this out. Thank you for
Thank
listening.
you for
It's on
listening.
Audible.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening on Audible.
And which are some other mechanisms that are made because you are like a
अरे बहुत बोली।
voracious reader, like because यहाँ पे
भाई,
जैसा response आ रहा है, I
पब्लिक के इवेंट करवा दे रहे बंदा हो जा रहा है।
like small incremental things that people
पब्लिक के
can do.
इवेंट हो जा रहा
अगर
है।
वो एक पेज भी पढ़ पाए या 5 मिनट भी देख
I think you should start with comics.
हाँ,
There's a Tinkle store. There's Amar Chitra Katha.
There is
That's
Champak.
amazing.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
Champak.
yeah.
Please start with Supandi. Start with
हाँ,
Shikhari
समीर को
Shamu.
दिया।
Start with Kalia the Crow. Start with
समीर लिया ना,
anything.
कुछ
If-
दो ही था।
I mean,
एक
this
में
also
था, एक समीर।
has a
मोबाइल दो ना।
beautiful kind of evolution, right? You start with Tinkle and then you go to
ये-
these graphic novels that you get of these huge anime shows and stuff like that. I've never read
गलत बात।
anime, so I won't know how to comment on it. But I think start small. Start with something as simple and unassuming and easy a task as Tinkle, and then pick it up from there.
And which
मैं
are
लाया
some of
नहीं।
your favorite fictional romance characters?
मुझे थोड़ी ना पता था रात
someone
होगी यहाँ पे।
like that you can drool over कि यार ऐसे characters मेरे को लिखने हैं and these are the characters.
मुझे
I-
देखने वो दिन लिखने मुझे इनसे मिलना है. One of my first series was the Twisted series by Anna Huang, जिसमें there's this character called Reese Larson who continues to be my book boyfriend. beyond what else I read. I pretty much am crushing on Aman Raina, who's from the book that I wrote.
Let's go.
And Baki, then it's
ये side हुआ
every
क्या?
time I move. Like
हुआ
right now,
क्या?
I'm reading the Imperium series, so Zayn is coming in my dreams to me every now and then.
मुझे लगता है एक चीज जो हम रोमांस नॉवेल्स में या रोमांस बुक्स में कर सकते हैं इसको bring up sacrifice. हमारी मूवीज में the idea of sacrifice is there so much. Like when I think of Kalona or Veer Saras, there is always that sacrificial element जो मेरे को लगता है Western उसमें इतना नहीं because so I think if we bring back more in our like books, it will just amp up the whole experience.
It can, but I also feel like it can be either way. Like yes, you can amp it up on one side, and on the other can also just be very simple storytelling. Like it doesn't have to go that deep. It doesn't have to be that poetic. Sometimes it's just a palate cleanser.
Yeah.
Like you pick up that book between two really heavy books, because you can't take more of it.
Yeah.
And that's fine. That book gets as much importance even. So I'm saying yes, while we do have the whole bit of कि मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिफती, but also like इस तरफ भी मतलब थोड़ा हंसी मजाक वाला चिल सीन भी होना
भाई
चाहिए.
कट भी कर लो नहीं तो अनकट बन जाएगा पूरा।
Anything else that you want to talk about like in the world of books जिसके बारे में मैंने आपसे
नहीं
नहीं
है,
पूछा. Before I open it up
HD है, कैसे
for
भेजेगा?
Not really. I think I'm good. It's open up to the audience.
Okay guys,
If you
audience.
have any questions.
I'm sure they will have
This is I always dread this part
Company
so
वाले को
much
भी cut
because there's
करना
always a
पड़ेगा,
long
भाई,
awkward
हमारा
silence
five
when
बना
nobody raises their hand. Somebody ask me a question. This is very thank you so
Yes.
much, sir. I will
पहले के बाद सब पूछने लग जाते हैं.
अरे बहुत हार्ड।
Hi. Sorry, what's your name? Krisham. Krisham. Nice to meet you. What's my favorite writer device?
Plot device.
Plot device.
Like?
Chekhov's gun, you know, when a character
I am actually, I am such a new writer and I'm not trained to be this writer at
हाँ
all.
बनाएगा फिल्म
I've never really
इसने बोला
dissected it
artist का
into
तो मैं
devices
छापेगा।
honestly, but I will look it up. Does that help? I can't hear you.
पानी है
Traits or tropes?
हाँ
traits, whatever, not exactly in romance, but like in general. Like,
I can't hear you.
He's asking about the character traits. Which are your favorite
नहीं,
character traits? So traits about the
नहीं
character
देगा
that
वो
you
भाई
like.
क्या
हाँ,
बोल रहे हैं, इतना ignore
For
कर
reading
I'm not good
and writing. For
हाँ,
me, when I'm
तू
writing a
ऐसे किया
character,
नहीं सच्ची से
किया।
मार रहे हैं ये सच्ची
I
है
don't like the character having
पूरा
quirks.
दुकान क्या लग गया
कि
ए,
इसका ये तकिया
सचिन।
खराब है ना ऐसे बोलती है.
सचिन
It's a very outly
वो
thing to
नहीं
do. I
देगा।
don't like
नहीं
that.
देगा वो
I like making her as regular, as easily believable in a crowd as possible because I think that works for me when I read it. So my traits, what I don't like in character traits are always when a character
ए
comes
सचिन
with
500
कि ये इनका
क्या
कोड
होता
है
ना?
ये हमेशा ऐसे बात करते हैं इनकी हमेशा एक लाल रुमाल टंगा होता है और इनके हमेशा ही इस वाले फिंगर पे नेल पेंट लगा होता है like all those things I don't like but that's just me.
I also want to ask, do you write about the characters you already know about?
Yes.
Or do you write about characters जिनके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हैं?
I think
Boss
जानना
बोल दिया,
चाहती
boss
हूँ,
बोल
it's
दिया।
funner that way. However, in
दो
the
मिनट
book,
कमिट लिया ना अभी
I
तुम्हारे
did
सामने मैं
use
खाया ना
more
इधर बैठ के
inspiration or think
खा रहा था
that
कि नहीं खा रहा था
is
ये जब
but
एंट्री किया ना मैं
mostly
खा ही रहा था
it's
इधर ही बैठ के मैं नहीं देखा था
imaginary.
And do you think it is okay if we just copy paste some of our friends into characters?
I think you should totally do it.
Do you think you need to take their permission?
I think so. I mean, they shouldn't find out about it when they read the book. I feel like you should let them know. Like there's a character in my book called Martin.
Yeah.
And
खड़े हो रहेगा मार
he looks, it sounds a lot like
झाड़
Sunil.
दूँ
And I would
Mayur
say
bhai.
that every chapter where Martin was mentioned, saying, see, this is how you would.
पिछवाड़ा दर्द देगा
So ये
रात
चीज़
रोल है भाई मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ देख लो
real life लोगों को ही अपनी किताब
रोल है भाई
Art, otherwise also that, you know, it's your telling of what your life is and how you see it. And how you look at one person and you will see one personality trait and that might not be true for them. But that's how you see it.
because it becomes such an interesting topic, consent of your friends. Because we don't चुराते रहते हैं. When you are like meeting
भाई
people in
संदीप ने
real
बोला
life right
आर्टिस्ट का
now,
तो रोल कर रहा
are you always thinking that hey, maybe I can pick this up? Are you always like
I am. I'm always making notes.
Yeah. So even
Wake
when
up.
this discussion is happening, तो आपके
हाँ,
दिमाग में
wake
चल
up,
रहा होगा
wake
कि
up,
इससे
wake
up,
character
wake up,
क्या
wake up.
है.
बाइक का
I think this is now an occupational hazard. I have more questions there, sir. Yeah.
अरे भाई ये चलो भाई अपना पोजीशन ले लो भाई
क्या हुआ?
हाँ या नहीं में है
या नहीं
बोला
में?
आ रहे 5 मिनट में
अरे माँ कौन बोला?
श्रीरंग अभी बोल रहे 5 मिनट में आ रहे हैं
Please
भाई
sit
पीछे
down.
जाओ पीछे जाओ पीछे जाओ
अरे!
देखो मैंने नहीं हिलाया हाँ?
भाई थोड़ा ध्यान दिया करो यार।
मेरे को पता है नहीं होने वाला है पैकअप
Twisted Love. And what was your favorite moment of character from?
इस पे कुणाल पे
I'm sorry. It's offensive to say that, but I couldn't do it.
कुणाल पे भरोसा
I'm sorry, and I completely get it. It's a terrible thing to say on a Comic-Con stage while I speak of Audible and romance novels. I love the movies, and now they're making a new show. I'm very excited for it, but I couldn't. I went to Shakespeare and Company and picked up like a limited edition.
अरे
and
भाई से यार
everything,
बहुत
but
पका
I
हुआ
could
इवेंट है बहुत
not.
पका
I
हुआ
could not.
कल कौन आएगा कल
How
घंटा
many
भी नहीं
pages were you into before you realized?
I don't want to answer this
कल ही है
question.
ये देखो ना 2
I'm
दिन
not going there with
कल
you.
कौन है?
नो
And let me sell a few more big books
भाई
before
कल
I get
आओगे
fully cancelled.
ये वाला इवेंट पे
Yes,
देखो ना
sorry.
नो अरदास
मैं कल छुट्टी है
Yes.
संडे को मैं काम नहीं करता तेरे को पता
Yes, we can. Yeah. Can we give it? Yeah.
तू ही आएगा मेरे
Hi.
है
Hi, Ahmed. Thank you.
I have seen Mismatch, I have seen your channel, and I just wanted, I didn't have any particular questions about books because I'm a reader. In fact, I'm listening. My specific question for you
कुछ हो गया है
is, what was the most
मेरे पास
toughest
भेज दे
day
मैं टाइप करता हूँ
which was supposed to seem easy for you during shooting anything, Mismatch or a video?
मैं खुला दूंगा ना राइट ऑल देगा ऑटोमेटिक
Toughest day on shoot.
Yeah.
I remember in season 2 there is a scene where Dimple gets a panic attack, and till I had shot that scene, I had never had a panic attack in my own life, and I felt like it was too vulnerable a scene to perform and get it wrong, because it could make people feel that I'm trying to ridicule the emotion or I'm not getting it right, and I think that was one of the toughest scenes for me on set, because I was so scared while performing it, but I was scared when the show was coming out, really hoping and praying that it doesn't seem like I'm mocking it or I'm pretending to know what I'm doing, or mimicking or making it caricaturish. So that one. Other than that, it's pretty fun though. Like every day on set is a lot of fun.
चांदनी का
Thank you, Anwar.
नहीं देखा
Okay.
Last question. Last question.
अरे भाई
The girl in the center.
भाई 5 बज गया
Where's the
5
mic? Where's the mic?
Okay, I'll do 2 quick questions, then I'll leave. I promise. Okay. I'll come to you, then I'll come to you, and then we. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, my name is Angel.
Hi, Angel.
So my question was that okay, you have this one idea.
Eh,
for a book.
eh.
How do you start? Like, what do you work on first? Maybe the plot or the characters? Like, how do you go about it?
I like working on the characters first. So I'll usually start with putting character notes in place, because that helps me in a lot of places when I lack motivation. But if I reach a plot point where I'm like, why is this person doing like this? I can always go back to the drawing board of the characters, and they actually help me tell the story a lot easier.
तो एक
I also
से
think
इतना लंबा लेगा तो क्या
I
होगा
love making up these
क्या
things where I
artist
write
ऐसा
what their
लंबा
favorite
लंबा
things are,
इधर
what
खड़े
they're
होना
asking,
बंद है
what
इधर खड़े
they
होना
do,
पीछे हो
what color clothes they wear, what do they like doing on a sad day,
right,
like all these things which might or might not help in the plot, but they help me understand the characters better and get the motivation.
ये
in
चार्ज
place.
में लगा
And then for me, I don't really, like I said, I think when I forgot your name, sir.
चार्जर
Prashant, when you asked me about the device, I don't, because I'm untrained and I never went to school for
अरे
this.
देना
I don't have any specific methods that I have in place. I'm kind of just learning as I go. So once the characters are in place, then for book, what I did was I started writing
वो
them as
एक
journal
नहीं लेगा
entries.
15-20 लेके
ए बेटा
And then that's where we kind of made the chapters from. Thank you, Angel. Yes, one last question. then I'm
सुनना वो
off.
भी देखा जिसको दे रहा था तू
तेरा है करकंडू।
ए ला जल्दी
इधर इधर पीछे आ जा,
Hi.
ये बाइक दो ना बाइक नीचे रखो ना
The mic is off.
Say it.
बोल भी लो
Shruti. My name is Shruti.
क्या हुआ श्रीरंग
वो श्रीरंग भाई
श्रीरंग क्या हुआ
मराठीमध्ये बोल हो चालेल.
मराठी येतो का?
कुर्सी दे रहा थोड़ा
Mic is
काम
off.
धंधा नहीं है
हा हा तर
चल ना निकले
जुबेर आया जुबेर को कुछ ए सचिन
मलाच
ए, आगे,
ऐकू
आगे.
का?
यासिन
Will you pass my mic to her?
अरे आ गया मेरी साइड पे अरे ये
मैं कभी जिंदगी में ना बात करूं
उधर उधर आ गया
हैं
पोजीशन ले लो
So as I was saying, so firstly Shruti, yeah. So as I was saying कि तुम्ही बुक्स लिहितात, right? फर्स्ट बुक झाली आहे, सेकंड इज इन रायटिंग. सो थर्ड बुक साठी माझं असं सजेशन होतं असंच काहीतरी की तुम्ही अशी काहीतरी बुक लिहा ज्याच्यामध्ये मराठी सेटअप असेल. बिकॉज वी आर कोळीज, आय एम कोळी एज वेल.
अभी बहुत रुकना पड़ेगा बे
रिलेटेड टू कोळी.
क्या बाद में अभी देख आर्टिस्ट उधर खड़ा है चूतिया आ गई है वो हाँ तो आ गई है वो क्या बाद में अभी क्या करेगा
मराठी सेटअप आहे, फिश वगैरे सगळं होतं. या ऑल्सो मूवी खूप छान होता, भरपूर आवडला आणि विनर्सचं ऑर्डर केलं आहे मी, येणार आहे 2-3 दिवसात. ऑल्सो लवलं शुअर करते. आय लव्ह यू सो मच.
आ गया
आणि तुम्ही अॅनिमे बघता का?
Anime नाही गं.
काय
मला
काय
K-dramas आणि
तुम्ही तो रोज टाकणं सुरू केलं
ये चुतिया का गाना है यार
अब लौड़ा एंट्री निकल जाएगा भाग चला सबके सामने अभी घिसू सब खड़े बे पीछे
अरे तो क्या उखाड़ लेगा
तो फोटो हाँ मोबाइल चाहिए मोबाइल चाहिए
Guys, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
प्रोजेक्टर वेट
ए तुम लोग ऐसे उसकी बेइज्जती मत करोगे.
धन्यवाद
The artists behind the comic books, Alok and Soman Patel. The reigning queen of content herself. The one who has been TV, movies, and pictures. Ekta R. Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, he's gonna be an introduction, Siddharth Malhotra! Siddharth Malhotra, followed by
ये पोस्टर
the ravishing, the beautiful, the glamorous, Burma Bhatia! Ladies and gentlemen,
भाई हेलो नहीं 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 चलेगा पूरा अरे नहीं चलेगा ये चूतिया मत बोल गांडू भर देगा इसे समझेगा चूतिया बजे मादर चोद चूतिया बजे मत बोल फ्रेम में आएगा मादर चोद देख यहीं पे देख गांडू फ्रेम में आएगा तू फ्रेम में आएगा तू चूतिया समझा रहा था पहले से ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
first time at Comic Con for all of you.
Yes, Comic Con.
बात रही अभी देख रहा तू
Well, love the energy. This is my first time in Comic Con Mumbai, and I'm very excited to bring this amazing comic book.
तुमने ही आगे किया भाई सबको
Our labor of love. It starts all from our TVF team. Arunabh and Deepak, our director, is there writing.
Yeah.
And then of course our producer who needs no introduction, Ekta Kapoor ji. And then Tamanna and me for the first time once again. Right here in Comic Con, this is our first event for our film. And we're super excited to bring this comic book to you guys at Mumbai Comic Con. I love the energy here, man.
Yeah, man, this is Mumbai Comic Con. This is Comic Con. Yeah, guys, it's your turn. This is Comic
मोबाइल
Con.
नीचे
Yeah, so welcome to our show. Well, this is what we do. We just have fun all day, and we do all things related to pop culture, comic books, movies, anime, manga. Bhai, this is our world. So we have something really beautiful under this velvet cloth.
I wonder what that is, man. I don't know.
Me too.
Yeah?
And we're gonna have a look at it real soon. So why don't we do it, man? We're all ready. Mumbai, are you ready? Okay, so guys, please come forward. Lay your lovely hands on this cloth.
Are you guys excited to see what's underneath?
This is
All
it.
right.
The reveal.
Okay, what do you think it is, man? What is it? Any guesses?
Any guesses, bhai? Kya hai ye?
Say the whole name.
People know. They're already like book. What sort of book? This is it, ladies and
I
gentlemen.
think, yeah, this is
The
it now.
reveal of the one comic book now. Wow. Can I? The eyes are very ominous. The eyes on the cover.
Yes.
I wonder whose eyes they are.
For that, you have to read the comic book
Yes,
first
yes.
and then the film.
Guys, let's just have a picture with all of you with these books.
अरे नीचे बैठो भाई ओ जाफर भाई अरे साहब साला मेरे फ्रेम में यार ओ जाफर भाई
Wow, the cover looks great. Really? Wow.
जाफर भाई फ्रेम में आओ जाफर
That's actually Siddharth and Tamanna on the book. That's great.
मोबाइल आ रहा है
Wow. This is really good. So actually, let's. We have a lot to cover here, so I would like to. Sure, yeah. Pictures, more pictures. Okay, I think this is it. This is the last bit of pictures. I have some questions I'd like to go over with our guests here, real quick. So Sid, let's start with you actually. Do you feel one marks the beginning of a new kind of Indian storytelling universe, one that can live far beyond the screen? Yeah, your thoughts.
Well, absolutely. I think, one represents the folklore that we have. We have such a rich culture and so many stories in India to tell. And that's the reason I'm most excited about this film. I think it talks about our folk stories, which comes from TVF in their writing. And then Ekta giving, her producer inputs into it and mounting it on that level. And today, all thanks to that, we have this comic book, which is, I think, the most special for me as an actor to see a story, a character come alive in art, in sketches first. And hopefully they'll have the same effect once they see the movie on. It's coming out on 28th of August this year.
Yeah.
And we're pretty excited to bring our group.
ओ भाई पीछे आ जाओ अभी पीछे जगह हो गया तुम्हारा पूरा सर मोबाइल है यार
The fans here of Comic Book and Comic Con.
That's great, and must be what a feeling to see your face published like that.
Well, absolutely. I think it looks kick-ass, man. Yeah, me and Tamanna looking. What do you guys think of the cover poster, guys? Yeah, my thoughts exactly.
अरे ओ भाई
My next question can be to our director.
इधर आके फंस गया आज
You are
मैं
known for very brutal, sort of relatable storytelling from Panchayat now to One. So this is quite a creative leap. How do you feel about that?
Of course, I'm very happy. For a director, the most important thing is the script, the story,
the story enticed me a lot, and we had great performers to do the performances. I'm very thankful to Ekta ma'am who supported us who supported us with her writing also, with her vision also on the film. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Wow, well, she is the queen. Lady Kapoor, I have a question for you. What do you think will stay with the audience long after they have watched the film or read the comic?
We've left a lot of Easter eggs in the film, and there's a lot of folklore. And what will stay is the fan fiction that comes out of the film. There's going to be a lot of fan fiction. People will make their own stories because it's giving birth to many conspiracy theories. It's the genesis of a whole new world, and it's the beginning of probably this is just the catalyst or the moment where the story begins. The root. We're going to open up a lot more possibilities. I think there'll be a lot more fan fiction after the release.
Wow. Hey Mumbai, are you listening? Yes, you paying attention? Okay, so is this going to be a movie where you have to pay attention, like look very closely? A lot of details? Let's see.
That's not been my strong point ever, but God is in the detailing, and I think the biggest detailing here is going to be on the way Arunabh and Sir have brought out the characters, the way the actors have performed it.
Agreed, fantastic. Arunabh, maybe this question is for you. What makes this collaboration special for fans who love both films and graphic novels?
So, hi everybody. I think we are fans of Siddharth and Tamanna work. Please, first of all, please wait this side as well. They have been waiting for both of. I think Siddharth थोड़ा प्यार आप बाईं तरफ भी दे दो, है ना? This is so yes, we all love Sid Paji and Tamanna Didi. But the very small kids also were in the crowd, and this is
I
my.
don't think anyone is calling Tamanna Didi out here. I'm quite sure about it.
I'm talking about below 13-year-olds. So this is very special for me because I always looked up to one person, even in my college days. That who is this person who makes shows and 20 shows in a year, and if ever I'll get to meet her once, then I'll say thank you for inspiring. But I think 4 years back, the person happened to literally call me up out of nowhere and say, I am your big fan, and that was the moment which I cherish always. Somebody who has told stories on TV, on digital, on films, and now also on the comic book and print medium. So it's all thanks to Ekta. So please a big round of applause for the person who has told stories in all medium.
Arunabh was small. I was also small. Huh? You made me look like I'm some Baba Atam ke zamane.
And thanks to Alok and Samin, Shefali, Ekans and Jatin, and to all of you who love comic books. We have Sanjay sir here, we have Faisal bhai here. We have all grown up on comic books, guys. आप लोग TikTok videos देखते थे, हम Nagraj, who are fans of Nagraj, Doga, Manoj Comics, Avtar Bahadur, Sentenced to be a Hero, who are the fans of Clash of Titans, One Piece, right? One Piece, guys. But my favorite currently is Death Note. Who are the Death Note guys? Yeah. Death Note is a good segue into our film. This film is not another horror comedy. This film is not another film that we just thought, okay, let's make it. This is the folklore which Ekta loved it. It's actually inspired by a true story. And then she sat with us for almost numerous nights. And it's a folk feature based on a creature, is how she defines it. And that's so I hope all of you will watch it, and there are people who are holding the posters, and so all the love, guys. We will also see you on 28th of August in the cinema. And I think finally I'll give the mic to the person for which most of you have come. So I think Tamanna, please.
Absolutely, the last one.
Tamanna R. Bhatia, one message to all our Comic Con fans joining here for the One comic book launch.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? It's my first time at Comic Con Mumbai, but my journey with Comic Con actually started with this really amazing film called Bahubali. That was the first time that I got introduced to the loyal fans of comic books. I just feel super lucky that in the time and age we are, there are so many different mediums of entertainment, and I am extremely lucky to be working with producers, filmmakers who really care about expressing stories in different mediums. Because I have to tell you, the story that Deepak and Arnab have made for the comic book, I kid you not, is so fantastic. Honestly, I feel like now I would be like, we've shot a lot of one, but I was like, there's some scenes I'm like, this should be there in our movie. So I think they are so passionate about storytelling, and I feel like they are truly the future in the sense that be it long form, be it a comic book or a feature, they can pull off anything. And I'm so happy Sid is doing this film because I think he is India's heartthrob, and he's just, be it millennials or Gen Zs, I cannot tell you the number of friends and friends' nieces that have called me that I was working with Sid, and they were also excited because everyone thinks that Siddharth is the heartthrob of our nation. So I'm so excited that you chose to do this because I feel the folklore that we have in our country is so untapped. वो कहीं सुनी बातें होती थी, but actually उनमें बहुत सारी गहराइयाँ थी जो आज हम लोग आज साइंस उसको बैक कर रहा है. So I feel like now when we're telling these stories, they're all feeling very relevant, they're all feeling very meaningful, and I'm glad that it's been put into a commercial format so everyone can consume it. But I love the poster. You guys have to see the stuff that they've done inside. The artwork is brilliant. I would love to know, can you tell us what the artists who done it?
I'll give the mic to the artists. And
yes, they're amazing.
The artists were very excited to draw Tamanna and Siddharth onto their thumbnails and panels. So over to Saumin and Alok.
Yes. Behind the One comic book. Let's hear from them.
So, Alok, actually, you talk a little bit about story first.
So the idea came from Arunab actually. The story of One, the film, is so amazing that when he asked us to do a comic based on the film as a spin-off and not spoil anything from the film, it came as a challenge. But then, we sat together a couple of nights and, created the story that you can read in the graphic novel. And you can see the beautiful art that Saumin has created along with a Brazilian superstar named Caio Pegado. So Caio is the one who's, inked on Saumin's artwork. I'll let Saumin speak about the art.
Actually, it was an amazing project for us because after a long time we were working on a project which had a lot of folklore in it. So whoever loves that flavor, please come have a look at the book, buy it from us, and I hope that it will be a great journey for you to read the book.
People, you guys can visit Indus First store, and also the books will soon be available online through Balaji's handles or Indus First handles, and you can order and come and look at. And some of these books will have autographs by Siddharth, Tamanna and Ekta. There will be only 200 limited editions for those, so please book them very fast. So that's it. And the final question to Ekta about the film, when is it coming?
We have to do a question to Siddharth.
We did do a question to Siddharth, but do you want
We spoke, but after everyone speaking, I truly have to say that One as a team is super excited. This is just a small teaser into the world of One, as you guys see with this wonderful cast, and most of the boys are very upset that I'm in front covering Tamanna. You'd rather see her ride the bike, but you'll see so much of us guys. Thank you so much for this amazing energy and love. I hope you guys enjoy this book. And Ekta, when are we coming?
28th of August, we're in the theatres near you.
28th of August, guys.
You heard it, Mumbai.
We will see
28th of
you
August.
at the movies.
Let's hear it one more time for our fantastic star-studded panel. Deepak Mishra, Arnav Kumar, Siddharth Malhotra, Tamanna Bhatia, Ekta Kapoor, Alok Sharma, Samin Patel, ladies and gentlemen, Team 1! Thank you. And remember, the books are available at the G9, G10 stall, the Indus First stall. Go get your copies before they sell out.
ये पोस्टर बॉय
बोला भाई अभी बस खत्म होने वाला एक नकली भाई इधर हां ठीक है
नीलेश दादा हाँ नीलेश दादा बोलो ना पूरा वाइड है देख हुआ ना तू बोला था सिंगल नहीं होएगा हट फालतू का कुछ भी अपना बोलता है ए भाई
अरे भाई
व्हाइट टी शर्ट ए रतन
ए पगला सामने की तरफ तमन्ना लुकिया तमन्ना
देख दिया कि नहीं तू जा रहा था
तमन्ना लुकिया ए झमरू ए व्हाट रे झमरू अरे
मैच भरेगा हाँ इसको
ए तांबे उसको जरा बोल बाजू वाले तेरे बाजू वाले को तांबे अरे तांबे खुद मचाने
ए बाजू में कौन है यार
ए हीरो ए जुबेर को बैठने बोला बाजू वाले को हां बोल
ये कौन है व्हाइट वाला कौन है ये लौड़ा भी है
जुबेर सिद्धार्थ